One of the very underrated features on Android is that your phone can actually automatically detect if it's been stolen, use on-device intelligence, and then lock itself to protect you from unauthorized use. To set this up, go to Settings, then scroll down to Google Services. From there, go to All Services and scroll down to Personal and Device Safety. Here, we can go to Theft Protection, and there's a couple of different categories worth looking at. First, there's Theft Detection Lock. This uses your device's motion sensors to detect if someone abruptly snags your phone and runs off with it. When this is enabled, if someone grabs the phone and takes off, the phone will lock itself immediately, meaning whoever stole it can't access your data. This is designed specifically for public settings, where that kind of theft usually happens. So if you're at home and your kid grabs your phone, it's not going to lock on you. Next, we have Offline Device Lock. A lot of times, when someone steals a phone, the first thing they do is turn off internet and mobile data, so the phone can't be tracked. Offline Device Lock recognizes when internet's been off for a while, and it locks the screen in response. So even though the phone might be untraceable at that point, whoever has it still can't actually use it. There's also Failed Authentication Lock, which locks your screen after several consecutive failed sign-in attempts, and Remote Lock. When this is on, you can lock your phone remotely if it's lost, just by going to android.com/lock and entering your phone number. No need to sign into your Google account or anything like that. Another important one is Identity Check. When enabled, your phone will require biometric authentication for any sensitive setting changes. So even if whoever stole your phone knows your PIN or passcode, that alone won't be enough to make critical changes, like disabling Find My Device, changing your PIN, or factory resetting the phone. Alongside Identity Check is something called Security Delay. This adds a mandatory 1-hour waiting period before certain sensitive changes can be finalized, like resetting your biometrics or password. Even if someone manages to authenticate, they'd still have to wait out that delay and re-verify again afterward, which is specifically designed to buy you time to remotely lock the device before a thief can actually lock you out of your own accounts. There's also a Safe Places section, where you can set up your home, work, or other trusted locations. Places where biometrics and the security delay won't be required, since you're not at risk in a familiar, secure environment. And that is how you enable theft protection on your Android phone. Go ahead and click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.